Hi everyone, I just did a recording to show you the daily chart and why I am bullish on HLBZ still. But I wanted to add this, and I'm going to put this in the front part of the video, so forgive me where I'm making an introduction, and also forgive the talking in the background, but I need to hear my scanner right now because I need to trade today. So if you hear something pop up, I apologize, but it's because I need to have that on. However, look at this daily chart. We see right here that our 13 is curling up. It crossed back above the 20. I want to see it cross back above the 48, and ultimately, if we could cross above the 200 on the daily chart, that would be an extremely bullish indicator. So essentially it's sitting at 0.27 cents, let's say 2698. So I believe that if we can get above and close above that line on the daily, this will be very bullish. The RSI has cooled off. We're sitting at 58 on the 5-minute chart. I'm sorry, I called it above the daily. We are looking at a 5-minute chart because this is the short term. I'm going to show you the daily in just a minute. But also, so the RSI cooled off, it's at 58. I want to see that stay between 50 and 80 ultimately. And if you look down the bottom at the MACD, you can see the red has crossed back above the green wave, and they're both trying to curl up to cross above this blue center wave. That is a very bullish indicator once they do. I really like what I'm seeing on the 5-minute chart as well as on the daily chart, guys. So watch what I have to say on the daily because that's what matters most. Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to give you a real quick update on HLBZ and where we stand as far as the technical analysis goes, because I believe we are in a very nice spot, and if volume comes in or continues to come in today, I believe we can move this higher. So here's what I'm looking at. If you notice, it's very tight, but the blue, which is my 20 SMA, has crossed above the purple, just barely. They're almost like touching each other on the daily chart. We are looking at the daily chart. I zoomed it out to 1 month so you could see this earlier. Actually, if I blow it up to 10 days, let me see if it's still very close. But you can see essentially what I'm getting at is that these indicators, the 13 and now the 20, has crossed above the 48 SMA. My ultimate goal would be for these to start curling up and to get above the 200 SMA. Once these cross above the 200, this thing is going to be on fire. Now, can that happen? It absolutely can. Will it happen? All depends on where retail stands with this and what they do going forward. So you can see we created a close to a doji 2 days ago. If you look at that red candle, how it's pretty much flat with that line in the middle. And then yesterday we had a pullback. Today I'm looking to see if we can get this higher because our RSI has cooled off. It's now at 54. It's in a perfect area. I want to see that curl back to the upside. And if it can stay in that range between that 54 and 80, ideally, that would be perfect. If you look at the MACD, the bottom of my screen, you're seeing that both the green and the red have crossed above the blue wave. This is very bullish. Guys, there's a reason that I'm not selling HLBZ, and I thought I should explain it to you because technically I want to see this break out. I do believe that we can retest that 55-cent area in hopefully the coming days. Hopefully there's a catalyst that sends it flying. And guys, if we can get above that 200 SMA, I truly believe we can naturally get this back above $1. So take all emotions out of the trade. This is now a trade for me because I do not like, and I've been very adamant about that, what Palella suggested with the Series B shares. And until he takes that off the table, this is only a trade. But I do see an opportunity here as long as they don't try to tank this and take it so that the 13 and 20 go back under the 48. I like the way it stands at the moment. So let's hope we have a very bullish day today. Remember, there is FOMC tomorrow, so expect volatility. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.